Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So, wanted to take a minute and talk about push sticks. I prefer push sticks that have a long sole plate on them so that I get good forward down pressure as far up as I can on the piece. They're just made from 3/4 inch plywood and they get a little heel glued on the bottom. In my case, mine have become incredibly chewed up to the point where I don't really think they're usable anymore. I may clean them up one more time and try, but I thought I'd take the opportunity to go ahead and show you how I make these, and then we'll cut a couple out and show you when we're done. They're just cut out of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. Baltic birch more because that's what I have on hand than anything else. So they're shaped kind of like a panel saw, and I think that I actually had a saw from my grandfather that I use as a template, and you know, for the future ones I'll just use this as the template. So I got a couple of pieces here. We'll head over to the bandsaw and we'll get these cut out. So there you go, guys. That was actually almost real time to build one of these. I think it took me maybe 10 minutes, and I actually made 2 of them, and I repaired the 2 old ones. But these are just so much better than those little bird's mouth ones. In fact, the one that came with the new saw, the first thing I did, I didn't even take it out of the package, I threw it away. I just find them completely useless. Frankly, I find them dangerous. So just find a pattern you like and whip something out quick and glue new feet on when they get boogered up. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. So until next time, take care.